In this next game, we're going against the Caro Kann again. We got the move e4, c6, and then after the move c6, we have the move d4. After d4, d5, and then we're going into the we're going into the advanced variation. But first, we're doing the move bishop d3, knight to f6, and then after knight to f6, this falls for our trap. Already, black is busted for doing a normal developing move. So everybody who hates the Caro Kann, do bishop to d3 and maybe you can get this type of position. Gotham chess is better than Magnus Carlsen. Okay, Magnus is a human being. There we go. Yep, he is a human being with blood like everybody else. That is true. H1, I played the Caro Kann. Shh, don't give him tricks. Nah. Everybody's getting tricks in this stream. So after the move knight to f6, which is automatically busted for the black pieces, what do you do next as the white pieces? We got Arcane Doctrine up in here. Hey man, how you doing? I know. We're trashing on the Caro Kann today. I get it. Not a lot of people want to do this. But the next move is, oh wait, who is that? Watch Tech the bear? Watch Tech the bear? Yep, you are correct. E5 is the next best move here. Hopefully I'm saying it right. My bad. After e5, a knight to e7, what's the next best move for the white pieces? What is the next best move for the white pieces? Thank you, Blurred. The lady Blurred is pronounced like Wojtek. Oh, okay, gotcha. I'm just gonna call you Wojtek. Bishop f5. Not bishop f5 in this position. If no one says it, I will. Okay. I'm gonna give y'all 1 minute on my sand timer. Or I'm gonna shamelessly plug something. And hopefully I get some follows. Wojtek, you are correct. Because once you realize that e6, like losing a pawn in this position is nothing. Losing a pawn in this position is nothing. Because after f takes on e6, this pawn structure is ugly on the e file. And not only is this double pawns, but they're double backward pawns, which is something that you should avoid because that's kind of worse. Actually, that's not as worse as isolated double pawns, but this is nasty. It is not only nasty because there is checkmate in 3 in this position right now for the white pieces. Can y'all figure it out? Can y'all figure out the checkmate in 3? This Caro Kann player making me cringe. I know, yeah, this was a real game. Charles was the white pieces and the black pieces, his name was unknown. So yeah, this game was played. This a lot of people keep on like saying, "Oh, these games wasn't played." It's like, bro, these came from actual database archives. And Archon Doctor, you are correct. Queen to h5. After queen to h5 in this position, g6, and somebody just already blurted out the whole sequence of moves. Witty. Yep, g6. And then, how would you take this pawn on g6? Which one is a better checkmate? Bishop taken or queen taken? Which one would you pick? Dare I even use proper format? Bishop or queen? Are we What type of people are you? Are you gonna sacrifice the queen? Does it matter? Yes, it does matter. The checkmate does matter. All right. Which one would be cooler? The queen or the bishop? Chappie, it doesn't really matter. Oh, come on. Can we just disrespect our opponent? Okay, let me just do the cooler checkmate. Queen takes on g6. Sacrifice the lady. After sacrificing your queen, h takes on g6. Bishop takes on g6. Checkmate with one bishop. And that's how you do it, folks. Sacrifice. Look, see, that's where you put it, Chappie. Sacrifice the queen. I can't even scream up in here because I have kids. You know what I mean? So I can't even do the meme.